In the quirky town of Whimsyville, Detective Harold Hiccup, known for his clumsy antics and uncanny ability to trip over his own feet, set out on another mystery-solving mission with his trusty sidekick, Barkley, a wisecracking beagle with a nose for trouble and a bark full of puns. This week, the mystery du jour was the case of the missing garden gnomes, vanished overnight from the neighborhood lawns. As Harold stumbled over clues, Barkley sniffed out the truth, leading them to the cat lady's backyard, where the gnomes were being used as part of a feline obstacle course. With a triumphant yelp, Barkley quipped, "Looks like we're positively on the right track." The gnome bandits were revealed to be none other than Mrs. Purrington's kittens, and the case was closed with laughter. As Harold and Barkley headed home, laden with thank you cookies, Harold